All right, Sanjeev Puri, the chairman of ITC on the listing day. It's a big day for them, and let's hear out Sanjeev Puri. I think he is at National Stock Exchange with Ankur.
Yes.
Okay, let's cut across to that interaction.
Shall we begin? I have with me Mr. Sanjeev Puri after the listing of ITC Hotels. First of all, congratulations for the listing. Now this demerger has happened. The company is now part of the stock exchange. What is your vision for ITC Hotel now?
Firstly, thank you very much, and thank you for interacting with us. So, this is a legacy over several decades where we have today a very strong foundation. Of course, iconic properties, iconic cuisines. We are very well known for our service standards. We also had the privilege of serving everybody at G20, which was acknowledged. So we have a strong foundation. I think the opportunity in India is immense. I think under the government, several interventions have happened in the economy that have truly transformed it into a very vibrant economy. And we see a lot happening in the economy. So we're finding that infrastructure is very good, air connectivity, road, rail connectivity. Convention facilities of global standards have been built. Delhi is one great example. And with all of this, and also the trend towards leisure tourism, the ability to also take a break during the non-holiday period.
Right.
I think all this is driving this industry forward, and there is therefore a supply-demand mismatch. In fact, demand is more, so it augurs well for the industry. And I think the opportunity in India is much more. India just has 270 rooms per million. Global average is 6,900. If you look at our neighboring countries, it's anywhere around 2,000 to 4,000. So huge headroom to grow. So in that, given the context and given the transformation we are seeing in the Indian economy, it's India's moment in history, and everybody is looking towards India. So therefore, naturally, the aspiration here is to grow at a rapid pace. So some time back, when we were doing one hotel in 2 months, we set a target of one hotel every month. Last 24 months has been 30 hotels. And there's a plan to scale up to 200 hotels in the next few years. But I'm sure it is going to be at least, because we have seen that we are able to accelerate the pace going forward.
So expansion is definitely going to be the strategy, but I want to ask about the shareholders who are ITC Hotel shareholders. What should they look forward for?
I think as shareholders, they should look forward to tremendous growth in this sector. I think it's a sector that has immense opportunities. But let me also add to this that for us, our whole legacy and ethos and our success, I think, is founded on the whole principle of creating stakeholder value. Value for our customers, value for society, value for employees. When all of them win, then ITC Hotels wins. So that's the philosophy. That's the philosophy we will build on. And naturally, this is also going to create economic value for all participants going forward.
One last question before I let you go. Now ITC Hotel demerger is done. What next for ITC? What should overall shareholders of ITC expect now after this step is done? Are there more on the anvil?
So you see, I have often said, and of course, it is in the media that I get this question more often than anywhere else. So that, the context of structuring depends on business strategy, the competitive context, the opportunity, the business maturity, and we look at the pros and cons of either of the options in the context of business strategy and decide which is the best strategy. So in hotels, if you look at it, the opportunity is great, the business has matured, there's huge headroom to grow, and we have a good standing today. We have iconic properties, iconic service standards. So it's now time for this hotels business to be able to accelerate its growth as a pure play entity, and at the same time, I think, benefit from the synergy from ITC, because ITC is going to be a strong supporter. ITC still hold 40%. And both ITC and ITC hotels will gain from the synergy. And it's the power of synergy that has created a lot of value for all of our stakeholders, whether it's in ITC or in ITC hotels, and that will continue.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.